When you invoke the god Heru, you're making a personal acclamation that your spiritual journey comes first in your life, and in turn making you first in your life.
Message. Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The Heru in you. Doing versus being. You are on a journey, the hero's journey. In the hero's journey, you're going to experience ups and downs, laughter, smiles, sadness, but none of it, absolutely none of it, has a deeper, more meaningful impact than your spiritual journey. Your spiritual journey is the constant, repetitious factor of knowing thyself. In knowing thyself, you're trying to get to your true state of consciousness. And that consciousness propels you to different heights and levels of understanding of what the universe really is. As above, so below. Looking inside of yourself is in turn looking at the universe and understanding the mysteries of it all. This is inside out, not outside in. An air of knowing is what we're striving and seeking for. The deity that is on this same plight and journey is the Christ figure himself, Heru. When you invoke the god Heru, you're making a personal acclamation that your spiritual journey comes first in your life, and in turn making you first in your life.
Message.
See, a lot of people on this realm is doing and not being. In doing, you're trying to prove your existence to some outside figures, some outside forces. Whether it be your friends, family members, your significant others, your conscious community. All this trying to do and prove is not Christ consciousness thinking. Instead of doing and proving to others, why not be? And be that divinely unique being that you were destined to be. You don't have to prove shit to nobody or be doing anything that takes you out of your chaos being ways. You are the Christ. You are the hero. Your journey is already set in stone, and you just being, human being, is enough. Whether someone vibes with you or not, it doesn't matter. You don't have to prove God. Just by you being is your proof, and people can feel and will vibe with that energy. If they don't, who cares? That means they're not on your frequency. The best you can do is be that chaos being you are. Just be, and staying on your Heru path is all you want to be doing in this space and time. Know thyself, love thyself, and encapsulate the Heru in you, your own universe. Dream wise.